We have discussed that phenol is more acidic than alcohol, and why is it so? We have already discussed with the help of the resonating structures of the phenol as well as of the phenoxide ion. And now we are going to discuss different kind of phenols and their acidic characters. Now see, suppose if you have a sheet of compound phenol orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol. This is metanitrophenol at the meta position. 1,3 position is the meta position. Paranitrophenol, which just opposite if NO2, then paranitrophenol. If we are going to compare their acidic character, then what will be the sequence? Compare the acidity. Compare the acidity. Remember this thing, that phenol, if having any electron withdrawing group, then it always increases the acidic character of the phenol. What is the reason behind that? See, oxygen along with this group, means alcohol group is there, OH group is there, along with this at the ortho or para position, minus R effect will take place, as well as it is electron withdrawing group, minus I effect also will be there, and due to the minus I and minus R effect, oxygen negative charge will be dispersed by the resonating structures. So what will happen? Oxygen will be, this structures or resonating structures will be more stable. As for example, I am showing you. Suppose you are having OH along with this nitro group is there in double bond O, N plus, oxygen minus. Okay, so what will happen? This bond, if the bond will break this side, it will be always what? This side will be negative, so that the bond can be this side negative and this side positive, means what? The bond will be like this. Okay, the bond will break like this. If the bond will break like this, then this bond also will break like this. That means oxygen will have the positive charge which it will distribute on it. It will be dispersed by the nitro group, and we can see, if it is phenol, fine. If it is phenoxide ion, then it will be what? O minus. If it is phenoxide ion, suppose, then O minus is there, and O minus negative charge will be dispersed via the resonance and due to the minus R effect of the nitro group. That's why what will happen, on the oxygen the negative charge decreases and thus makes it more stable. Phenoxide ion will be more stable. That's why it will be more acidic in nature. So always remember that if any group is having the electron withdrawing nature and having the minus R effect, minus R and minus I both, then this type of group always will increase the acidity of the phenol. Now the question is, nitrophenol always more acidic than the phenol, we can understand, but ortho, meta and para, if we compare these three, then always remember that if the electron withdrawing group or minus R effect group, the group having the minus R effect, if this group will be at the meta position, then it cannot show its minus R effect on this oxygen. Okay, what is the reason? See, metanitrophenol I am showing you. This is our metanitrophenol. Suppose it is phenoxide ion, and here we are having the nitro group, N plus double bond or single bond O minus. The bond will break like this way, so the bond will be, this bond will be negative. It will break like this. It should be. But if it is negative, then what will happen? This one should be the arrows. That means this carbon will get the negative charge. It will never happen. This carbon always will be positive charge, so that this oxygen minus will become double bond O. Actually then this is a wrong resonating structure. What will be the perfect resonating structure then? It will be like this bond will break like this way. I have shown you this bond will break like this way, so that this nitrogen will get the double bond. But it's not like this. The bond will always break like this way, so that this carbon will get the positive charge, and like this way if the bond will break, then we can see this nitrogen will not have any effect due to the resonance. This oxygen, this carbon will not have any effect, because this one will become positively charged. So any electron withdrawing group or minus, any group having the minus R effect, if it is at the meta position, it cannot show its resonating effect on this O minus. Hence nitrophenol cannot increase the acidity of the phenol as like as orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. But due to its minus I effect, nitro group is having the minus I effect. So this is due to its minus I effect, it increases little bit acidity of the phenol. Hence we can understand that the metanitrophenol, it will be less acidic than ortho and para. Now the question arises that ortho is more acidic or para is more acidic. We will say paranitrophenol is more acidic. The reason is orthonitrophenol, there is a hydrogen bond between the oxygen and the hydrogen. This is called intramolecular hydrogen bond, which actually makes this compound difficult to release one H plus ion from it. Hence orthonitrophenol is less acidic than the para one. Okay, so after that which is coming, that is orthonitrophenol, and the most acidic is paranitrophenol. And metanitrophenol, obviously I said you, it is due to the minus I effect of the nitro group, it is more acidic than the phenol. So any electron withdrawing group having the minus R effect will show this type of sequence. This is the order of their acidic character. Thank you class.